Good morning, Standard 5. Children, today we are going to start our 6th chapter, Formatting Slides in PowerPoint. Okay. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss about PowerPoint software. Okay, MS PowerPoint software. So, you already have learned about PowerPoint software in Standard 4. You are already familiar with this software. Okay. There are some many more things are there which you don't know. So today we are going to discuss about PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so first of all, I already prepared presentation here to explain you this chapter. So what is presentation? Okay, in PowerPoint I told you that we prepare presentation using this PowerPoint software. So what is actually this presentation? So presentation is a display of information in the form of text, in the form of images, animation and sound. Clear? This thing is given in your book too. Okay. So through presentation we can express our ideas, our concept to the audience. Okay. So this is the purpose. What is the purpose? To prepare a presentation. The purpose is there to inform audience about your idea, about your concept, what you are going to do. Okay. About your project. So if you are a teacher, so what you are going to teach your students. Okay, so information to inform audience. First of all, to inform audience we prepare presentation, and to persuade. If I am a business person and I have to persuade my business partners, okay, about my new project. Okay, so to persuade my business partners we can use this PowerPoint presentation. For entertainment also, to entertain audience. It's not a major purpose, but yes, we can prepare presentation for entertainment too. Then to inspire, okay, to inspire audience we can prepare. So many purposes are there for preparing presentation. If you are a teacher, for teaching also we if I am a trainer, so to train my employee. Okay, so to train my employee we can prepare presentation. Okay, whatever information we have about my office, about my business, so to make aware my employees, so I can use presentation. Okay, so there are many purposes behind to prepare presentation. Okay. Now you see, presentation consists number of slides. Number of slides. You are already knowing what is presentation. I told you, I gave you one definition in Standard 4, collection of slide. And through presentation is actually a slideshow. Okay, through the PowerPoint software we prepare number of slides, and in slideshow we shows all the slides one by one on screen. Okay, so when a presentation is displayed on the computer screen as a series of slides, it is called slideshow. Okay, clear? So here you can see, you can see many slides I have prepared here in slide pen. This is slide pen. Here you can see number of slides already are there. Okay, so through presentation we can teach our students. Okay, so this is a presentation screen. So presentation makes things very interesting. Okay, it makes a class very interesting. It make group discussion very interesting. It makes business meeting very interesting. Okay, all students become very attentive when they learn through the slideshow, when they learn through the presentation. Okay, so presentation, it is very useful thing. Okay, now we will see how to create a new presentation. Now first of all, I'll we will recall all the parts of PowerPoint software. Okay, quick access toolbar. Okay, you are already knowing this, but just to recall. Okay, remind all the things. Just again I'm explaining you. This part is quick access toolbar. Here it is the title bar, name is given, document name and presentation name is there. This part is called ribbon. Okay, here this is file tab, then this is slide and outline pan. Okay, here you see the slide and outline pan. Okay, these two are placeholders where we type text. Clear? Title bar. Okay, you can see here software name and document name. Ribbon you are knowing, group and tabs collection. Okay, combined called ribbon. This is quick access toolbar. Here you can see save button, undo button, redo button. Okay,